Osagie, with the power invested in me, Osagie and some other people went blow rumor against me during that election. Say, now PDP I dey work for. Say I don't decamp to PDP. Now from one calamity to another calamity, now you not go dey fall into for the rest of your life. Isha allow. Osagie and some members of PDP 1A, as una make me lose my position for that governorship election, now so you not go lose for tribunal because of the lie where you not lie against me. Please listen to this before the details. I try to save my people because I no share money they vote against to me. Oh. I try to save my people, they vote against to me. Oh. I try to save my people, they vote against to me. Oh. Some of them say no one might be where my day where a big head to it. Here when no one might be where my day where a big head to it. Wafeko waranye bigo keke yare wasodo gaye weson biye. Some of our people are wicked. Agbon webe some of our people are wicked. Isha allow. I don't say people. Now true say Osagie, the candidate of PDP 1A, and some other people from PDP 1A say they beg me make I decamp join them for that last governorship election. To God who made me, I woefully reject and refuse the discussion instanta. But to my greatest surprise, some people when I know, and some people when I know Osagie too, come begin they talk say Osagie tell them say that me and entire United Progressive Party members are working for PDP 1A. Say that I will join them before that election. Oh, before you know it, all rumor mongers that have no job, they join Osagie to model up my position in that governorship election. What a character assassination. Oh, I try to save my people, they vote against to me. Oh, I try to save my people, but they vote against to me. Oh, some of them say no one might be where my day where a big head to it. Here when no one might be where my day where a big head to it. Wafeko wagarie bigo keke yare wasodo gaye weson biye. Some of our people are wicked. Agbon gbegbe. Some of our people are wicked. Chai, agbon webebe. No bedede, bedede, bedede. Bedede, bedede, bedede. Osadie, Osadie, you have injured me again. I will not take this for granted, and there will be no Osagbawa Eriyo to beg for you this time. Because you we can not get together. Una know where to pay me pass. After this rumor, after election, I take my phone, I send a text message. When Osadie wan tell me, he continued to talk in Yayambu. He was talking in Yayambu. He said, if I tell somebody, say, you will come join me, and you are working for me, but during the election day, they see my party for logo for them. They're supposed to vote for you. And again, as his friend, if me here say, he won't be pastor, one go start to dey play music, me not go laugh, huh? You can imagine that. And I said, is this what you are supposed to tell me? Instead of you to say sorry, my friend, my brother, or my son, because you know I respect you to that effect. You begin to talk in Yayabu. Iya. Christophe Gauthier, one of the greatest pastors in Nigeria, is he not a professional musician? Exactly. Even when you Osadie they can pay, what do you do for stage? Singing and dancing. No, you forgot big Bible or authority. But you got to preach for podium. Osadie, I want make you check your own profession and my own. Make you see who supposed to be politician. A pastor and a barrister. Barrister when they stand for the good, the bad and the ugly for court. They stand for who die, who they want kill, who keep person and who they kill, and who he doesn't just go sentence to death. If they play politics and a pastor plus musician when they sing better music, he go bring one or two things, put them together, people will begin to spend money to buy them. Osadie, me and you who they supposed to laugh at. Check your profession, make you check my own. You will see that your profession is fundamentally complicated than my own. You blow rumor, a rumor that model of my position in the last governorship election, and you are talking in Yayabu. A rumor that made my friend from Edo North, Edo Central and Edo South, even my friend, Joe Best from Ugbegu, they almost lost confidence in me, and you were talking in Yayabu. Well, some of our people are wicked. Some of our people are wicked. What do I want to say now? Osadie, the candidate of PDP 1A, if not because of the respect when I get for you, now you take for granted plus say I not gree the camp. The time when you beg me make at the camp, say now he gon make you and some of your people settle down, plan this rumor against me. When gon make people they give the vote when they supposed to give me to PDP 1A. God, he not go forgive you at this group of people. As una make me lose position for that governorship election, na so you, Osage, and the entire member of PDP 1A go lose for tribunal. Isha allow. And una wan spread that rumor with Osage without asking question. Àwọn go wahia na sacrificial lamb. Now you na go be to king of hills and mothers in the lowly forest. One predicament to another. Now you na go dey fall into for the rest of una life. As una make me lose that election because of una rumor, na so all of una go join Osage and all members of PDP 1A lose woefully for tribunal for the lie when una lie against me. Isha allow. I try to save my people, they vote against to me. Oh, I try to save my people, they vote against to me. Oh, some of them say no one magbe we mate where a bigo eto eh. Iya we no one magbe we mate where a bigo eto eh. Some of our people are wicked. I try. Agbon we gbegbe. Some of our people are wicked. Try. Agbon we gbegbe. I don't save masses and electorate. I am disappointed in most of you for setting up Operation No Money, No Complete during that governorship election. But I want to assure you, if you people continue to lay this foundation, I tell you, before 10 years, many of una go turn into slavery if care is not taken. You can imagine some able-bodied men and women, they go pack their children, go police unit. Their children go dey run follow them, like small rat wey dey follow their mother go into hole. They go say, "Teni agari go na my boy." Gbẹgbẹ iye pakaya fọkìlẹ dẹsẹ. Pakari go mẹmẹlẹ, ẹni mo bá yàrá wá jẹrí go mẹ. You can imagine. Ohun àwọn agbó wà níbí o. Some of our people are wicked. Agbon we gbegbe. Some of our people are wicked. Agbon we gbegbe. I want to tell you, I do not, and I am not regretting whatever you people did in that governorship election, because you people only make me to know that I have been a fool. I have been a very big fool for shouting for nothing, not knowing that you are the cause of your problems. You have also made me to know that the only problem you have is 500 naira to 10,000 naira, or just a plate of rice. Because this was what some of you were asking for before casting your vote during that election. Oh, must you collect money before you vote for somebody? Electorate. Now let me ask you, how do you expect somebody you collected billions of naira from to fulfill his campaign promises? I know that some idiot will say, now the 10,000 wey person collect go say make government no work. Idiot carry calculator times 10,000 naira times 400,000 people, not to talk of the money the person spent in logistics and some other things. You will see that the person has spent 15 billion naira in his electionary campaign. Oh, not to stress this matter, the only advice when I go give una electorate is to go and reconcile with your conscience. Don't expect positive change from government where you have refused to change, because change has to begin with you. It has to. Oh, yes. Oh, I try to save my people. They vote against to me. Oh, I try to save my people. They vote against to me. Oh. Some of them say no one magbe we mate wa ebigo eto e. Here we no one magbe we mate wa ebigo eto e. Wa fe to wa lari ebigo kekere re wa sodo laye we son bi e. Some of our people were wicked. Abon we dey. I try. Some of our people are wicked. Try. I don't wear baby. I try.
Oh, My Excellency, this PDP 1A, they feel we forgot to. Because they say na money na APC share wey make them win this election.
You are very, very funny. PDP no share money. Ask him. If to say PDP no share money, let me correct here. Plus my vote when they get. Wetin go make dem get that kind vote when they get? Na credibility they get reach like that. Abi na because of say the candidate say he go dey use our money take dey do one man birthday. Rubbish. Let me tell you, dem no dey fit sleep pass who pass when he die. Dem no dey sleep pass person when he die. I am and I was a candidate. Money inducement or any other gift item, the law go to section 124 for electoral act. Bribing and conspiracy, the punishment na 500,000 or 12 months in prison, or you serve both. So in that one they rely on. As they make me lose for that election, na so the candidate of PDP 1A and his member go lose for tribunal. Insha Allah. The only thing and advice I go give una electorate and masses is to go and reconcile with your conscience, as I said before. I try to save my people, they vote against me. I try to save my people, they vote against me. Some of them say no one mag be one mate a big to it. Here when no one mag be one mate a big to it. Wafeko wagari a big keke gare wasodo ga ye weson biye. Some of our people want we try. I'm gonna wait. Some of our people want we try. I'm gonna wait. I want to respect you today. The daughter of politics, I respect you, sir. Dr. Amorodion Oregbe, the Director General of Advisor Shedrack Nowamagbe Campaign Organization, and all anchor members and all campaign crew for the role where you now play during my governorship electioneering campaign. And also, don't regret anything. We have laid a very good political foundation. I respect you today too, and I congratulate you in respect of all party affiliations. I congratulate you, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, Your Excellency, sir. I am celebrating victory with you today so that you and some other people can also celebrate victory with me. Yes, a few years to come. Yes, so my co-candidate, I know that we all spent a lot of money in our various capacity during the electioneering campaign. But if two people fight, now one person, now he dey win. Oh, yes. With all my heart, Obaseki, oh, yes. I congratulate you. Party is just a name. After election, all we need to do is to concentrate on how to develop our state. So I celebrate with you, my friend. Osage, and some other people wey play rumor, wey dem no ask question. As una make me lose position for that governorship election, na so una go lose for tribunal. Isha allow. I try to save my people. They vote against me. Oh. I try to save my people. They vote against me. Oh. Some of them say no one mag be one mate a big to it. Here when no one mag be one mate a big to it. Wafeko wagari a big kete yare wasodo ga ye weson biye. Some of our people are wicked. I try. People are wicked. Chai. I try. agabalemo oh agamwa oh ajegamwa oh agabalemo oh agamwa ajegamwa oh ama babela ri pa wa ya melele wa ejo ka megbe okore agamwa oh ajegamwa oh ute ala mena nene riye iologe ogba na ori pẹ̀lú agamwa ajegamwa oh agabalemo agamwa oh ajegamwa oh ofenari ọmọ rẹ̀ ra ọmọ ọlọ́rọ̀ náà ó tẹ̀lé ọ̀rá ọmọ ẹ̀fẹ́ náà ó kó rẹ̀ ọyẹ́rẹ́ náà mẹ́nà wọn bá bẹ́ẹ̀rẹ̀ èrì ìmúlẹ̀lẹ̀ bá èdè ọmọ kúté ẹwà mẹ́nà lélẹ̀ yé ìhòòrò kí ó gbẹ́ náà ó rí pẹ̀lú. Bọ́nà máa rà pọ̀pọ̀ wọn, ọlọ́rọ̀ náà ò tẹ̀lé. Ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀pọ̀ wọn, ẹ̀fọ́ náà ò tẹ̀lé. Ayẹ̀rẹ̀ náà mẹ́nà wọn, bàbéèrè èmi yìí múlẹ̀ wá èèjọ wọn. Kúndé ẹwà mẹ́nà nínú èmi yé, ìhòòrò tí ó gbẹ́ náà ò rí pẹ̀lú. Agábọ̀lẹ̀ wọn. Òfẹ̀nà rí ọmọ rẹ̀ rà ọmọ. Ọlọ́rọ̀ náà ò tẹ̀lé. Lọ́rí òbọ̀nà máa rà lẹ́tà gbọ̀n mà. Ẹ̀fẹ́ náà ò kó rẹ̀. Ayé wa mẹ́nà wọn bá bẹ́ẹ̀rẹ̀ èrì ìmúlẹ̀lẹ̀ wá èèyàn wọn. Kúkẹ́ ẹ̀ wá mẹ́nà nílé mi dé. Ìhòòrò tí ó gbẹ́ náà ó rí pẹ̀lú. Agabalẹ̀ wọn. Lọ́rí òbọ̀nà máa rẹ̀ rà pọ̀pọ̀ mà. Ọlọ́rọ̀ náà ò tẹ̀lé. Lórí ọmọ àrọ́sí ọmọ àrílẹ̀kẹ̀ ẹ̀fẹ́ náà ò tẹ̀lé ayẹyẹ náà mẹ́nà wọn bá bẹ́ẹ̀rẹ̀ èmi yìí mú lélẹ̀ bá èèjọ wọn kúndé ẹwà mẹ́nà nílé ìdílé ìhòòrò tí ó gbẹ́ náà ó rí pẹ̀lú. wẹ́wẹ́ kò sáájì ọmọ bá bẹ́ẹ̀rẹ̀ èmi dáyà mẹ́ mú lélẹ̀ bá èèjọ wọn àwọn mẹ́rin kọ́ náà fi àwọn ìwà tó lóhùn ọ̀nà rẹ̀ ọ̀wẹ̀ ńlá mẹ́yọ ẹ̀wẹ̀ nu fíẹ́ máa yọ o ẹ̀wẹ̀ nu fíẹ́ bá yọ ọ̀rá rẹ̀ mọ̀ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yé ẹ̀mọ̀jà sí àrẹ̀ kọ́ àfihàn ìwà rí ìwà yìí sopa mẹ́ni àyàwó nu wọn yọ. Agabalẹ̀ wọn o. Ara wọn àjẹgámọ́ òkú rẹ̀. Ara wọn o. Àjẹgámọ́ òkú rẹ̀. Ara wọn o. Àjẹgámọ́ òkú rẹ̀. Ìwúdé ẹwà mẹ́nà lélẹ̀ iye. Ìhòòrò kí ó wẹ̀ náà orí pẹ̀lú. Ara wọn ẹ̀. Fúra wọn ẹ̀. Àjẹgámọ́ òkú rẹ̀. Ìwúdé ẹwà mẹ́nà lélẹ̀ iye. Ìhòòrò kí ó wẹ̀ náà orí pẹ̀lú. Ara wọn ẹ̀. Ìbúwẹ́dẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ mẹ́nà lélẹ̀ ìdíje ìhòòrò kí ó gbẹ́ náà orí pẹ̀lú. Agamọ́ òkú rẹ̀. Agabalẹ̀ wọn o. Agamọ́ o. Agamọ́ òkú rẹ̀. Mẹ́wàá lè gbọ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ o. Mẹ́wàá lè gbọ́ tún ẹni náà káwùwù náà kákùú ẹ̀rọ bí ẹni. Mẹ́wàá lè fẹ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ o. Mẹ́wàá lè gbọ́ tún ẹni náà káwùwù náà kákùú ẹ̀rọ bí ẹni. Ìnàkà jẹ́ àwọn ayíyí tó. Mẹ́wàá lè gbẹ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ o. Mẹ́wàá lè gbẹ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ o. Mẹ́wàá lè gbẹ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ o. Ọ̀tún ẹni náà káwùwù náà kákùú ẹ̀rọ bí ẹni. Ayẹyẹ náà mẹ́nà wọn bá bẹ́ẹ̀rẹ̀ èmi yìí mú lérè bá èèjọ wọn. Ude ẹwà mẹ́nà lélẹ̀ ìdíje ìhòòrò kí ó gbẹ́ náà orí pẹ̀lú. nọrí ọmọ gẹ̀gà ó ọmọ ọlọ́rọ̀ náà ẹ̀ ò tẹ̀lé ọ̀gá ó ọmọ ẹ̀fẹ̀ náà ẹ̀ ò kọ́ rẹ̀ nọrí yorùbá náà ọmọ gẹ̀gà pọ̀pọ̀ wọn ọlọ́rọ̀ náà ẹ̀ ò tẹ̀lé ọ̀gá pọ̀pọ̀ wọn ẹ̀fẹ̀ náà ẹ̀ ò kọ́ rẹ̀ ayẹ̀rẹ̀ nàrà mẹ́nà wọn bàbẹ́rì èrì yìí mú lélẹ̀ bá èèdì ọmọ ude ẹwà mẹ́nà lélẹ̀ rìlé ìhòòhò kí ó gbé náà ó rí pẹ̀lú agabalẹ̀ wọn agabalẹ̀ wọn o agawọn ẹ ude ẹwà mẹ́nà lélẹ̀ rìlé ìhòòhò kí ó gbé náà ó rí pẹ̀lú ngàrẹ́ látọ́ lóhùn wọ nàlàrẹ́ àwọn ènìyàn náà mẹ́yọ́ lẹ́nìyẹn náà ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́ náà mẹ́yẹ́ yìí o ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́ náà ẹ̀ kúrabalẹ̀ wọn o. kúwà jẹ́ ẹ̀wẹ́ mẹ́lá lélẹ̀ yìí ìhòòhò kí ó gbé náà ó rí pẹ̀lú. ìwú jẹ́ ẹ̀wẹ́ mẹ́lá lélẹ̀ yìí ìhòòhò kí ó gbé náà ó rí pẹ̀lú. Give a man. Where do damn it hotter, where do damn it hotter, where do damn it hotter, no young one, they pay. Well, I love it. Where do damn it hotter, where do damn it hotter, where do damn it hotter, no young one, they pay. Obey Booyah. Ọ̀nà ìfẹ́ yẹn gbọ́ lédè. Àti. Wẹ̀lárí làwùjẹ. Wẹ̀dọ̀ dàmí ọ̀tá, wẹ̀dọ̀ dàmí ọ̀tá, wẹ̀dọ̀ dàmí ọ̀tá, nu yá wọn ànẹ́gbẹ́. Wẹ̀lárí làwùjẹ. Wẹ̀dọ̀ dàmí ọ̀tá, wẹ̀dọ̀ dàmí ọ̀tá, wẹ̀dọ̀ dàmí ọ̀tá, nu yá wọn ànẹ́gbẹ́. Ọ̀pá àkàrà, ó gbé ìbúyà, ọ̀nà ìfẹ́ yẹn gbà lédè. Aji. Ogodo n'oge na yera na mere ka ogba o.
Pepe bi amo.
Aja ogba no wa kama no ki popo bi wa e. Aja ogba na nya me yo. Wa mona so ale ni adana. A o plano huono. Una gigamo. Ebo panya ya ni kaoya. Unwa wa paya ni kare. Wagi mo mana son wa mo eboto. Igbi. Yo. Eu opakara. Obe ibuya. Ona enya bale. Well I don't give a man. Wẹ̀dọ̀ dàmí ọ̀tá, wẹ̀dọ̀ dàmí ọ̀tá, wẹ̀dọ̀ dàmí ọ̀tá, nu yẹ wọn ànẹ́gbẹ́. Wà mọ́ náà sọ. Wẹ̀lárí làwùjẹ. Wẹ̀dọ̀ dàmí ọ̀tá, wẹ̀dọ̀ dàmí ọ̀tá, wẹ̀dọ̀ dàmí ọ̀tá, nu yẹ wọn ànẹ́gbẹ́. Ọ̀pá àkàrà, ó gbé ìbúyà, ọ̀nà ìfẹ́ yẹn gbà lédè.
His Excellency
Gẹ́rẹ́.
Apasa no wamate.
Mo wá tiẹ̀ ní.
Ubere.
Ìbéèrè yìí gbèrè.
Bọ́dí bẹ́ẹ̀ fi kẹ́nyà gbalẹ́kẹ́.
Ọ̀nà pápá wọ̀dí wọ̀ náà.
Èké wọ́mẹ́.
Ura yóò kàn án lékè ìdàgbò. Ọ̀rí ìrìsó. Sẹ̀mẹ́ àyè o. Ìwé yóò kàn ẹ̀rẹ́ gógó. Ọ̀sùn ẹ̀rẹ́ kan yẹn náà rò. Ọ̀pá àkàrà. Ó gbé ìbúyà. Ọ̀nà ìfẹ́yẹ́ gbà lédè. Aji. iranu vedo ya mahe the Nigeria ya mahe no it dame sebo no iwe gbe sebo e ma ni rewe boya ga betie iya iranu vedo ya mahe no me ga ri enwa ne nuwa nibe nowa vedo ya gele mahe wa ho na do fi were wa ni gun but wa ma fi were vedo ya mahe e o pagara ogbe iguya ona ifenya ba lebe na well I don't give a man we do da we hota nu ya wa ne be ni ka wo wa ni rawe bo sun me wa ni bu ba wo ibo lege nok ba lege na we bo na ga wo ibo wa ni bu imoto panyai e wa si la gona no ba ye so pa wa ni bu ri o wa ba ma ba ku moto ama bi moto fa wa so ba wa ibe mu go geru wa na ya bo wa ho wa ni bu yana ya zo gadabu na ya runu wa magie yana ga ho weta koligo be webo wa so be mu gi yu wa na risu awo pe mama we niti babe progressive union ogun eso na pa yo wo dore ru diga webo wa mu no so wa so no mu adi owa eso iyo gosta be pe awo yi ni ego wegbo when I don't give a man we do da me hota nu ya wa ne be wani bo we mu jo tu wa no go atu wa no pe no ya bo wa nu wa o wa ni wa ma mi o and etu wa na ni bu nu wa mu oge eso na le ki wa so ni bu wa ya na ki wa yin ni o ma se ki gbe ya na gbe ya gbon ona ki hebe ona se no na ise we bo na e wa so wa ra we bo keta for e we bo se be do ya ma hebe na umuiro gera no ya bo wa gewe oya ya bi owo ba wo o wa nu we no bo o ma bo umu ni yu e oya wi ya gbe umu no teno gba o teno go eso na ya bo ri an e picture wo ni ama bo go we ona ki ni ari send di wa ma ya ya ma la go da ada o la go da o hebe ni na ya ah ime no wa be do ya ma hebe na be ta gbon wa ya ma hebe na we la ro give am we do da we hota nu ya wa ne be ati ama umugo no se we no mu adi owa oyo go sta be gbe owo yi mi ewo te ogege ire iya to ayi owo agada obviously e so le ra le wana obo ifi gun ne owo no ya gbe bo me oko zawe ni so na fi no ya nara iye la iso do oya ya gbon ane gu mi oko oya mu ya gbon ria ona zanu na mi today igwoni bunirawo ibo ikpe anegwi no be ye unu no zado ya ni bazu no pa ya gbe ya gbon be ni pe agbifu ya gbon ri gwoni ku we gbe ani bu ya gbon bo uguru no ma nwi na be gbegbo oya nwi na be gba wa negwi ugu agbon ni wewe bona ya migo uya ya ruan o ma na hu benu gbegere wo ibo wa so wo wu to make o tere u ma make ruda ebi no ju we mu ege o ga nu yere we o we yo tun na la la wege ana irazu no pana na pa yo wa do te ari bala go da ala are na ya he wa bi popo na ya we la ro ge ba me we do da me yota we do da me yota we do da me yota nu ya ma ne be e o papa dada o gbe ibuya
Oda ifeye gba leke.
wa mona so abo ya no we le to ya ma la go da o he na we ni wi ge mi kere ma wa na bo ga ya ma la go da o he ba bi babo no ma jo gbe bi yo wa na iya ga mi emi no ma ru be ni na se ti we na ya fi o bo ya na de ba e igbo fe yo le kan na ya ke emi na ma lo ga fa ma gberi e yo Ado sai na ya mwande boha benene ti wa fi werie edo sa ti fi werie erie so fi anya gbe ifanya gboko wa so wian esu ira nwi ura iwe pot aka we aka iyo ko no fua e ba ki na wa ki be bo ki ari ya ma la go da o he wono na Imeri no wa. Aiwa mo ge bo wa. Aiwa mo ti o wa. Aiwa mo si o wa. Benela ti ma fi weri e wono na. Edo mecha ama la o da o. Eri so be bo oge. Oge na na ha sa. Ye ga bo ga gbe. Beni ana mi go. Bala o da o ga ya lona re he. Wa ri ya fi weri e. Wa fi werie wa ke do so anotana we be do na ya fi werie he bele na tu wa fi werie ba be mi da na ya fe ora logo na do ye we na ifi anya gboko be la ro ge va me be do da me yota nu ya ma ne be ifi anya gboko no gbe apa flanya gbe oso ti oko na riko ona we to mi ari oko o gbe na mo ona ari e kotu ona ari e gbe kotire so papa no adani eri ye kotu mare receipt iri dio wa ona ye pisen ni go na de 1000 naira ona ye dogo badesu wa joshua the sapia road ona ya nwi guy bo wa Ogo yere koko so wo.
Ogo no we o.
Are bi segbe. Omo yorobo, aboge wa ane. Well aroge ba me. We do da me yota nu ya ma ne be. Omo yorobo, aboge wa ane. Omo na ri go we ni eri eyo bobo. Opona sahiye kekele bena go biota aweri go ni yota otari emi yo boy na kan no go bo no se me no do wa ga pane uhu wa la ki go ni ere re e o papa dara o be ibuya
Oda ifeye gba leke.
Aiki Wagi madale ki ma yi ifya legbe ipavo e ka ma babe wagi avie na kwa sopon pano kawa no rahi kagere no rahi ni yunu kana abo panyai unwa bayani kare awe nuga wa mona sonu wa mu egbodo igi aki ogodo no ge no yero na bele kan o wa o
Gbegbe ni amo.
eja o panu wa to wa na ri popo bi wa
Ejaro gbane ni abe yo o.
wa mona so pa o pe no no when you see a dog yeke ni esi wa ko wa ni esi wa yeke ni emoge ba wa ko wa le no maru unwa ba ya ni kare wa mu esonu wa mu egbodo igbi yo aki iwo go to no ge no yera na bele bo wa gbagbe ni ama o aja o gba no wa ko wa no ipopo bi wa aja o gba le ni ama yo iwo go to no ge no yera na bele ka o wa o gbagbe ni ama o aja o gba no wa ko wa no ipopo bi wa aja o gba le ni ama yo Friday when we are going Friday, was it as a Nulu Mary Loden? Otafe Caroline, Nico Sae Kore, Mama, what is in Oga? And a government one, in a day, on my football body. Otafe Caroline, Nico Sae Kore, Mama, what is in Oga? Friday I go no you taxi. Ya you chama utasi no pavo utasi come you me. Friday I go here. Enogbon Cafe, Youth Chairman, Utasi Community, CEO, Friday Ventures, oh yeah, Utasi Community, Friday, oh my wagi oh give oh I say oh, that's a Nulu Mary Loden, it's Samela. Warrior Vara, Duma honi kadu ekeke ye some. Umuarie. Fred A. Venture Summit, kilometer 5 along Benin Aunty Road, Idoka, Gongongon, Benin City. Ọ̀tàfẹ́ Caroline ní
Òsà ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ̀.
mama wọn
Ilé ìsìn ọ̀gá.
ẹnagẹ́ ọmọ wọn
Ènìyé rẹ̀ o. Ọmọ ìfowópamọ́dé.
ohun ẹwà rí olóògì ìbàrẹ̀ ohun ẹwà rí olóògì ìbàrẹ̀ o ohun ẹwà rí olóògì ìbàrẹ̀ o dùmẹ́sì rẹ̀ lórí ẹ̀dọ́ dùmẹ́sì ẹ̀dọ́ náà lórí tẹ̀sí udasi community ọ̀dàfi yóò wá láyé náà ṣe ní yéèké ọmọ ìfowópamọ́dé ẹ̀dùnmẹ́sẹ̀ tó rẹ̀ náà lórí tẹ̀sí o ọ̀dàfi yóò wá láyé náà ṣe ní yéèké iyó wá láyé náà ṣe ní yéèké rẹ̀ o wíkẹ́ náà gbé wíkẹ́ náà mú dùmẹ́sì lórí ẹ̀dọ́ rẹ̀ yan advice you chairman ọ̀hún tẹ̀sí yan advice you chairman ọ̀hún tẹ̀sí o ohun awárí olóògbé bàmẹ́ dùmẹ́sì ní Ghana yan advice chairman ọ̀hún tẹ̀sí yan advice chairman ọ̀hún tẹ̀sí o wáṣẹ nùlù mẹ́rin ló jẹ́ ohun awárí olóògbé bàmẹ́ ohun awárí olóògbé bàmẹ́ o ohun awárí olóògbé bàmẹ́ o Vincent rẹ̀ lórí máa dé ohun awárí olóògbé bàmẹ́ ohun awárí olóògbé bàmẹ́ o ẹ̀fẹ̀nà sún wá ẹ̀rẹ̀ ohun awárí olóògbé bàmẹ́ o ẹ̀fẹ̀nà sún wáṣẹ o ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ nùrù mẹ́rin ló jẹ́ àwọn tó ná gbọ́bọ̀ wọn ẹ̀fẹ̀nà sún wákì ìzàgbọ́dọ̀ nàṣà méjì nẹ́tù ẹ̀fẹ̀nà sún wákì o ohun awárí omi kónós wáṣẹ o ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ nùrù mẹ́rin ló jẹ́ ẹ̀fẹ̀nà sún wọ́hẹ̀ yan efficient Imade CEO Managing Director Mykonos Conglomerate Mykonos Hotel ẹ̀fẹ̀nà sún ọ̀yà wáṣẹ o ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ nùrù mẹ́rin ló jẹ́ wàhí àwẹ̀ pàtí wàhí àlọ́ọ̀ṣì wàá tí Mykonos Hotel Aunty Road dé pẹ́ tó kàwé o wọ́n àwẹ̀ marriage adé Mykonos ground ọwọ́ àkúwá ọ̀sẹ̀ máa ń yàn ẹ̀ ìyẹn náà ẹ̀fẹ̀nà sún wọ́ ẹ̀ àwọn tó ná gbọ́dọ̀ wá ẹ̀fẹ̀nà sún wá kí ìsàgbọ́dọ̀ nàṣà méjì nẹ́tù ẹ̀fẹ̀nà sún wá kí o ohun ẹgbẹ́ kí olóògbé fàrẹ́ o wáṣẹ o fẹsẹ̀ nùrù mẹ́rin ló jẹ́ ohun ẹ̀
Dodo ohun ẹ̀.
ìdúwàgì ohun ẹ̀ ní
Dodo ohun ẹ̀.
ìdúwàgì ohun ẹ̀ ní
Dodo ohun ẹ̀.
agbèrè ohun ẹ̀ amúrí ohun ẹ̀ o
Dodo ohun
ọmọ
ẹ̀.
amúrí ohun ẹ̀ rọ ayé ní òun náà yá kàrúkọ
Dodo ohun ẹ̀.
nínú ẹ̀fẹ̀nà sún wọ ẹ̀
Dodo ohun ẹ̀.
wọ ẹ̀ ìdúwàgì ohun ẹ̀ ní
Dodo ohun ẹ̀.
ọ̀ṣun wá fẹ́ mọ́tò mi.
Dodo ohun ẹ̀. Iye náà fi wẹ̀ sí.
Ohun ẹwà kí olóògì bàmẹ́. Ohun ẹwà kí olóògì bàmẹ́ o. Ohun ẹwà kí olóògì bàmẹ́ o. Destiny. Òṣàrùgbé rẹ̀ nànú bí ebàgbọ́. Ohun ẹwà kí olóògì bàmẹ́. Ohun ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kí oore sàn ẹ o ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kí oore sàn ẹ o destiny rẹ̀ lórí ìpapọ̀ ó sárúgbó ẹ̀bọ̀ ẹ̀ destiny 1 to 10 anything for them na relegation ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kí oore sàn ẹ o agalo sáwẹ̀ ọkùnrin ẹ̀dẹ́. Osarugwe boy, destiny 1 to 10. Anything for them, na relegation. Ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kí o lè sàn ọ́ o. Agalo sáwẹ̀ kọ́pù wẹ́dẹ́. Agalo sáwẹ̀ kọ́pù wẹ́dẹ́. Ọ̀pù wẹ́dẹ́ ni a. Ọ̀gá tó mú kó bẹ̀rù wẹ̀. Ọ̀gá mú kó náà nù wẹ̀ nẹ̀. Ẹ̀mí ẹ̀mí ayá sí wọn nà má so uwẹ̀. Osawa na mẹ́rin sí ọ̀nà. Kí o tún ìgbẹ́ mẹ́, arẹ́bàgbà ní yókè. Iye gàárì, iye àwọn náà ṣe rẹ̀ o. Iyókè, iye sàrúwé. Ẹkùn náà bí ọ̀gá o, bẹ̀rẹ̀ ayé. Osarugwe boy, destiny 1 to 10. Anything from there na relegation. Ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kí o lè sàn ọ̀rẹ́ o. Agalo sáwẹ̀ ọ̀bù wẹ́dẹ́. Agalo sáwẹ̀ ọ̀bù wẹ́dẹ́. Ọ̀bù wẹ́dẹ́ ni a. Ọ̀gá tó mú kó tónú wẹ̀. Ọ̀gá mú kó nánu wẹ̀ mẹ́. Ẹ̀mí ẹ̀mí ayọ́ sí wọn nà má so. Uwẹ̀ òsáwọ̀ nà mẹ́rin sí ọ̀nà. Oh! Desktop bodies. Ìhànyà Destiny Osarugwe Ìpàgọ́ inú ìhìn àtàwọ̀ ìgbẹ́kẹ̀yẹ lórí kàá. Ere máa sẹ́, ere rọ̀sán, èmọ̀ nù bí ẹ̀nánú ẹ̀yà rábí ẹ̀bá. Ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kí olóògì ẹ̀fà rẹ̀. Ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kí olóògì ẹ̀fà rẹ̀ o. Ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kí olóògì ẹ̀fà rẹ̀ o. Èsì mi yà lórí ẹ̀ tó bọ̀. Ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kí olóògì ẹ̀fà rẹ̀. Ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kí olóògì ẹ̀fà rẹ̀ o. Ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kí olóògì ẹ̀fà rẹ̀ o. Kimi ya buwase o, ẹsẹ̀ nuru mẹ́rin ló dẹ̀. Eskimi ya náà, lórí ẹgbẹ́bọ̀ n'oge n'ihu. The Azọ Sinoma of Amsterdam. Ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kí olóògì ìfàmẹ́ o. Agalo sáwẹ̀ gọ́bù ẹ̀dẹ̀. Eskimi ya náà, lórí ẹgbẹ́bọ̀ n'oge. The Azọ Sinoma of Amsterdam. Ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kí olóògì ìfàmẹ́ o. Agalo sáwẹ̀ gọ́bù ẹ̀dẹ̀. Òǹwẹ̀
Tótótó òwe.
òǹwẹ̀ o òǹwẹ̀
Tótótó òwe.
òǹwẹ̀
Tótótó òwe.
òǹwẹ̀ làrè yábàlẹ̀ pé ìyànṣẹ́
Iye náà gbìwẹ̀ sí.
ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kí olóògì ìfàmẹ́. Agbìrì òǹwẹ̀ amúrí òǹwẹ̀ o. Ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kí olóògì ìfàmẹ́ o. Moses rẹ̀ fi ọ̀nà yìí. Moses fi ọ̀nà yìí náà. Ààrẹ wà tọ́sẹ̀ ẹ bá gùn. Nọ̀mbọ́ ọ̀nà kàrọ̀ ẹ̀yìn nínú ẹ̀. Òun ẹ̀wẹ̀ yìí. Moses náà yàn yẹn. Now you would work as Met Depot. Number 501 Upper Sakomba Road, Benin City. Warrior this mate. No more I am a block. Kagere Smith Mary bag. Kagere Smith near the treated one. Warrior 501 Upper Sakomba. Yagwe. Ena yi daru dawo mwen ki o give amen. Ọmọ wa kí o gé bàmẹ́. Ọmọ wa kí o gé bàmẹ́ o. Ọmọ wẹ̀rí ológe fàmẹ́ o. Benjamin Osaeti ìyóbó sàgìlẹ̀ gbé wẹ̀ fò. Benjamin Renobi Osaeti yan a CDA chairman CDA chairman ọgbẹ́ka community yóbó sàgìlẹ̀ gbé wẹ̀ fò. Benjamin náà ọ̀tẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹn nọ ọ̀sẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹn nọ ibi ẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹn nọ. Ọmọ wẹ̀rí Osaeti o. Ìyóbó sàgìlẹ̀ gbé wẹ̀ fò. Benjamin Osaeti náà ṣe rẹ̀ yan a CDA chairman ọgbẹ́ka community yan a CEO Benjomo Ventures ìyóbó sàgìlẹ̀ gbé wẹ̀ fò. Ọmọ wẹ̀rí ológe fàmẹ́ ọmọ wẹ̀rí ológe fàmẹ́ o. Ọmọ wẹ̀rí ológe fàmẹ́ o. Adwini Renobi ẹ̀dẹ́gbẹ́ adwini ẹ̀dẹ́gbẹ́ náà ní Ghana ẹ̀mayẹyẹ ó bọ̀ ẹ̀tanko tanko ó bọ̀ ẹ̀tanko agalo sáwẹ̀ rọ́bù ẹ̀dẹ́ adwini ẹ̀dẹ́gbẹ́ náà rẹ̀ náà ṣe mẹ́ o ẹ̀mayẹyẹ ó bọ̀ ẹ̀tanko. Oh boy, tango. Agalo sawe robu wete. Aduna dagbe na. Yujama Okatiri community. Aduna tango na fiae. Uwa so, bese nuru mewe lote. Aduna dagbe na re na seve o. Yemaye. Oh boy, tango. Oh boy, tango. Uwa se o, kase nuru mere no de. Owe,
do owe.
Owe,
Owe.
Uwa ki owe ne.
Do owe.
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 Patricia me na oge.
Do owe.
Agbiri owe, amuri owe o. Mrs. Verona rena me bobadia. Bobadia o. Ìràtí wáyé rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ gbọ́dọ̀ pé owe o. Ìlúwàgì owe o. Ẹlìmẹ́ òbí òdòdó. Ìlúwàgì owe. Ìhẹ́lìmẹ́ òdòdó. Ìlúwàgì owe o. Iye rẹ̀ mi yẹ o. Elizabeth mẹ́rin orí òkú. Ìlúwàgì owe. Agbiri owe. Amiri owe. Owe o. Owe o.